Hello, people. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Michael.
My name is Faith.
And we are the Stalwart Lovers. Yes. So this is just been a long time we picked up the camera to vlog and basically nothing too.
I mean, we have been having really busy life.
Very busy life. Yeah. So,
just been so
but
busy.
things are about to kind of get spicy, kind of. So we're starting a vlog, and if you're new here, of course, please subscribe, join this family. You know we love you.
Yes.
If you're coming for the again. So right now, babe, where are we going right now?
We are going to.
We just finished rehearsals.
We just finished rehearsals. In fact, we had a prayer meeting this morning.
Yeah.
And that was awesome. It was amazing.
Yeah. Thanks to all who joined and those of you that are watching it even after.
Exactly. Then we also had. Guys, can you see my voice? My voice is like anyway. So we just finished rehearsals, singing and everything, and now we are going to an African store. Like, guys, you won't believe that first, or if I say the first video, the first video that I bought, like a lot of stuff. I think I bought ugu and I bought some things to do egusi. Can you believe I have not cooked that egusi till today?
She has not cooked it.
And I was like, today I was like, no, I must. So I want to go to Africa. So I want to see if I can get this cow tripe, that's shaki and all those.
Okay, in Konu.
Exactly, things of the inside of a cow. How do I say that in English? Anyway,
I don't know.
So I'm finally going to do it. Will I must.
I'm actually very excited that my wife is about to cook egusi.
I must.
Because for those that don't know,
like, see guys, I feel like it's my business that is now driving me to cook it. Before, when I had time, I would just feel like, I'll just whip up something. I don't really have time to cook.
Yeah.
But now, when I know that my week is so choked.
If you don't plan ahead,
I must do it during the weekend.
Exactly.
It's even that weekend that I'll even have the list of time.
Our weekends are busy, our weekdays are busy.
But the weekends, at least I can squeeze something, 2 hours to just quickly do it. So that's what I want to do.
Did you just say 2 hours?
2 hours somewhere in between. Anyway, guys.
Yeah, I'm actually so excited that my wife is about to cook egusi, because you might not know, but my wife's egusi is one of the best in the world. Like, let me tell you. Wait, no, don't worry. Before we got married, quick story. Before we got married, just before our marriage, our wedding, and I got one of my friends who cooks. She came to my house, cooked egusi, cooked the different kind of soup, fish, everything, so that my wife would not cook the first few weeks, into our, marriage.
Yeah.
But the first time my wife cooked, after the egusi finished, I tasted it and I shouted, "Jesus is Lord." Why did I cook food before you came? Because the difference. Yeah, I helped the rest, but more. When my younger brothers come to visit me, or maybe our siblings, or even our parents back in Nigeria, they would eat it, go and testify back home. And then when somebody else from the family comes to visit, they're like, "That's egusi." My mom was like, "I've heard." My dad ate your egusi one time. I went to tell my mom. When my mom came to visit us, she was like, "I want to eat that egusi."
I don't think I even cooked it.
I think you did, or you didn't.
I had to go and cook it.
My wife's egusi is legendary. I just believe, I hope that you have not lost touch.
I hope so.
Because I cannot wait to lick my fingers. Anyway, we'll carry you guys along.
Why should I help you that I've not lost touch?
Maybe we'll even vlog, the cooking and the stuff like that.
Not so much, just a little bit.
Maybe just you cannot be letting out all your secrets. The secret that you used to do it. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, I'm actually excited. Guys. Looking forward to eating some nice staple food with egusi. Yeah. So another thing is that we're going home, and tomorrow is Sunday. We can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be an amazing time. Yes, and she's the one driving. I need to make her drive more. She's actually getting better at driving, and she only gets better with practice. So keep driving, baby. Well done. It will go. Keep going. If you go, you are not going to climb anything.
Okay.
That's what the experience needs to show you. You start knowing what you cannot climb, what you can climb, where you don't reach, where you never reach. Gradually. Well done, baby.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
It's been much more than an hour since we recorded the last clip, and we're not home yet because we've been going from one place to the other. The African store we went, they didn't have a particular banga oil, the palm oil that my wife likes to cook with. So we had to go to another African store. Right now, we're going to buy pizza. Now we are going into...
Yeah, we bought some hot things.
Yeah, then we're going to wash the car. This is the first time we are washing our car since we bought it. Rain has been doing the job for us, that super wash. Yeah, but you have to pay first, right? I don't even know how it works.
I don't know.
We are literally JJCs here today.
No,
just
can we just
park first.
Yeah.
First time we're washing our car in Canada. First time we're washing this particular car. You're not doing very well, though. You're not doing very well at all. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, move back a little. Oh, they even have a vacuum, but you pay for it. Everything is paid for. Let me show you guys. You can actually use it to look at this guy vacuuming his car.
How about I won't block the vacuum people?
No, just when you have done, then reverse. Reverse very well. Hey, village people, I've bought ticket to do wash, you know.
It's a village people.
Yeah, so I feel like a
calling
village
yourself
man.
village person?
Yeah, and this man is blocking us now. Oh yeah, enter here. Enter right. Yes, I'm going to do a round turn for super wash.
Okay.
Cannot keep pushing. Enter, give yourself enough space, then cut. Yeah. So make sure you are straight on. Yeah, you're good. Withdraw.
So is my tire climbing this?
You can use the mirror to confirm. You see that mirror now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, turn left. Yeah, in there. Keep going. Turn to left a bit. Right, straight. Yeah. Straighten your hand. Straighten your hand. Your hand goes straight. A little, yeah. Okay. That's the barcode. Yeah, scan it.
Please put your vehicle in neutral.
Put your vehicle in neutral. That's it.
Your code has been authorized.
Hey, let's do this. It will handle the rest. Roger. It's not good to be inexperienced. First time doing this, I'm feeling like one kind of village man. Yeah, Stalwart Fam. So I just did the basic washing though, because our tires are actually very clean, but this car needs automatic wiper. Shiny automatic wiper. Yeah.
Just let it.
Yeah. Because of my budget.
Okay.
Nah, so how about I didn't jump.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
That was fast.
How much was it?
11.
Where are we? We are going back this way.
Somebody shout glory. Just have a look here first. Shout glory. Hey, glory. What did you bring out here? Inu shaki, edo, fuku.
There's no fuku here.
What's that fish?
Just shaki.
Stockfish. You don't know the joy in my heart. This is Sister Bay's egusi of life. Every spoon is a something to chew. Every okele is a something to chew. Ọmọ ọlọ́pẹ́. Well done, baby girl. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. It's not as if I don't work. To me, to have I work in the kitchen small.
I have to,
She's still the
I
Oga.
have to graft him in.
She's the Oga of the day. Well done, baby.
Come on, do small work.
Well done. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
How have you been?
Ah, how have you guys been
So we're heading to see the dentist
right now?
because our teeth will like some care. Yes, it's been a while. We actually had. Have you ever had dentist?
I've only gone to the dentist to get a tooth or two removed. When I was younger.
Me, I've been to dentist to have a couple of scaling and polishing, feeling, here and there. So yeah, hopefully we can fix us
Yeah.
and make our teeth better than before.
Yeah.
So guys, go and get a dentist today, all right?
Okay. Yeah, and guys, I mean, yesterday was not even funny for us.
It was not a good day.
Like
It started well.
Yeah, it started well. We filmed the video and we released the video. That's the Q&A video and all. And we went to the hospital.
Man,
So he had a complaint, I had a complaint. After sorting all that out, we took these vaccines.
yeah.
And the vaccines, I mean, even COVID-19 vaccine did not treat me well at all.
Yeah, my
This
wife doesn't respond well to vaccines. I don't know. She will have sometimes she has temperature. The hand will be so heavy. Unlike me, I literally don't feel anything apart from the pain of I got injected.
Yeah.
And yeah, my hand get a little heavy, but I'm still able to move it. Like I can do like this without struggling. But my wife can't
I'm
do what
not
I just
sure
did.
I can still raise my hand.
Yeah, and this is day 2.
So I mean,
Yesterday
it
was a
wasn't-
lot. I was in a lot of pain.
I too was in a lot
I had
of
to use pain reliever at
stress
a
and
point.
pain. Yeah.
And it is
But
well.
Both of us were just caring to each other, caring for each other.
Can you imagine like someone that is in pain and feeling sick, taking care of someone that is in
there's-
pain and feeling sick? It's
At
like
the
taking
same
turns.
But so the Lord does our strength.
The Lord does our
So
strength.
we are about to get into the dentist office. I'm sure. I just hope we're not late yet.
No, we're not late.
We're
We
not late,
are
right?
at 1 o'clock sharp. We are on time.
And we are right at the office.
Yeah, so see you guys later.
See you
I'm
guys
not sure we
later.
can record at the dentist, so
Mhm.
we'll just give you an update later.
Yeah. Right.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. I'm about to go through some cleaning. Prepare to see white teeth. Ah. It's been a long time. Last time I had cleaning and polishing was 2013. And it's high time.
Hi guys. So this is evening. Hey, after visiting the dentist. And guys, like we've been doing ourselves harm for
Honestly.
not visiting the dentist. If you know what they were telling us, oh this, oh that, blah blah blah, blah, that we just never knew just because we never went to the dentist. And actually the teeth never forgets. Like it never forgives and it never forgets.
Honestly.
If something as wrong has happened to the teeth, it can't be repaired. It can't just heal up. It can't just go back to the way it was.
Like if you're
You can only prevent further damage.
yes, like if your gum has emaciated due to
Or
bacteria
receded,
and tartars, it can't grow back.
It can't grow back.
You
You can only prevent
stop
it
it
from
from
going further
going-
down.
And we noticed a lot of things that were wrong with our teeth, that we had not been taking care of it very well, and it took time to explain to us, how better to take care of our teeth. Guys, if you've not seen the dentist in 6 months, please just book an appointment.
Yeah.
Even if you're in Nigeria, the funny thing is that back in Nigeria, my HMO, I believe, had dental coverage for me and my wife.
we just
We
never,
just
saw the
never
need.
used it. We just never used it. The most scary part was when, because I had a filling done in Nigeria one time like that, and they filled it with one kind of magnesium, whatever chemical. And the dentist that looked at it said that it's been over 20 years since they stopped using that kind of chemical to fill tooth. That they don't use chemicals again, that there is this
Natural substance.
there's this natural tooth color substance that they use to fill tooth nowadays. That the chemical ones is chemical, so it could be poisonous over time. I'm like, and I got that done in Nigeria,
In a state hospital.
in a state specialist hospital, for
Yeah.
that matter. That being said, guys, go get yourself checked. We literally have follow-up appointments because there are cavities growing
Yeah.
gradually
That we did not.
in our teeth. In our teeth, a few of those
cavities
things
here and there that we
that
have
we
to go
didn't
and
know
feel.
of. The better we feel them now before they get worse. Wow. Right now we are heading to Costco to go and buy a water flosser.
Floss, just I think
Is this water flosser she called it for
okay,
me?
flosser, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that you used to floss your tooth,
Like a dental
toothpick,
floss, but
but
water. Yeah.
Toothpick is actually like dangerous for your tooth. Literally, toothpick is dangerous for your tooth. Use a dental floss or a string floss.
Yeah, that the dental floss is that string floss. Then I think the dental floss is that
tiny
one
thing.
that
But it's not really
like
as effective.
ring,
And they went into our gums, man.
Yeah.
Bacteria.
Literally, like plague and all that. But then at least we've gotten it cleaned up now. So we'll go back in 6 months and then in 6 months and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
And then also do those feelings and stuff.
Honestly, I feel really, really happy that I'm giving my dental health some attention.
Yeah.
Because we can so abandon it. And she said that the teeth never forgives. So it's until 30 years, 40 years you realize that all your gum are chopped off because of tartars that have grown under them. They have chopped off, literally.
Yeah.
That's why you see young people having all these holes on the underneath of their teeth.
Young people, old people.
Old people, I mean, because it takes a while for that to get really bad. And she showed me that I don't start that journey. That I'm too young for this. I should stop, and I should brush every night and every morning.
And also the floss every day.
Yes, brush before you eat. First thing in the morning, brush. Before you go to bed, brush. That's they've told us many times, but
I mean, until you actually
took me seeing the scan of all my
like
teeth, every single tooth, to see that wow, I need help. I need to fix this.
Yeah.
Honestly.
But anyway,
I'm
moving forward, we are like going to take our dentals more seriously and just do better generally.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, guys, we'll just go and get the dental floss and then start our flossing journey and brushing at night journey. I mean, you guys don't come for us. Don't come for. I know that it's kind of like general knowledge. We've actually tried to brush twice at night, but just because we were not used to, we didn't grow up with it. We're not just used to it.
Let's see that without seeing me the face to cast a stone. How many of you brush at night?
Abio.
And even if you do, how many of you have done teeth cleaning in the last 6 months? We are all guilty of one thing or the other.
Anyway, guys.
All right.
Catch you later.
Yeah, bye.
Hi, guys.
What's up?
What's up, guys? So, quick update.
From the teeth.
Yeah, from the dental blah blah blah. So we have gone to the dentist, gotten our fillings. I got like 3 tooth filled here and
3 teeth.
3 teeth. Sorry, 3 teeth filled here, 2 teeth filled here. I think Okubu had 2 and 2 on both sides.
On both sides. I still have 2 on the top. But
yeah, I think I still have. Again. Yeah, I think I still have. We are going to do the top ones next year because we've used up our insurance money. Anyway, guys, so I mean, we have just been carrying rubbish, at it up and down. But anyway, it's good that things are getting fixed and stuff like that.
Yeah, they're getting fixed. This is good.
It's
so
good.
where are we going right now?
Yeah, so we are just taking you guys along. We're going to shop. Anyway, we have very weird shopping habits. So I mean, we like our grapes from a particular store.
Yeah.
I think grapes and avocados from the particular store. Then we like the apples from another store. And then we buy some snacks from them as well.
Yeah.
So we have like specialized
so basically
places.
We prefer grapes from Costco. Because they are very big and juicy. And we eat grapes a lot. We eat fruit a lot in our house. So so we prefer grapes from Costco. And then apples from No Frills, and then snacks. If you have seen No Frills muffins and
I don't even eat the muffins much.
But at least whenever it was Winnipeg. It was Winnipeg that baptized us into No Frills croissant. We love it so much. So this one will go, and right now we're going to Service Ontario.
And then we're going to fill fuel too. Yeah, we're going to Service Ontario as well.
Yes.
So we just thought to take you guys along on everything this afternoon.
Yeah.
I mean, look at how much the sun is outside, guys. And guess what? It's 13 degrees Celsius
Yeah.
right now. Is
See,
it 13 or 12?
was it not 10 when we checked? Let me check again. Right now it's 13 degrees.
Okay, right now it's 13. So this is the warmest it's going to be today.
Today.
Like it's going to be, I think for like 4 hours, it's going to just be.
If
on
I just
13
wind
degrees.
this up now, you'll see the cold will just come in.
And yes, you think it's just sun that's supposed to come in.
Yes, it's not sun, it's cold.
It's not sun.
But it's manageable, sha.
Yeah, it's manageable. That's why we're not too decacad.
Yeah.
We didn't wear too much warm clothing.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I just have like a jacket right here. Anyway, guys, so just take you guys along. Catch you later. Yeah, guys, these avocados are always, and they're always like not ripe, but they are so good.
Takes so short
so
to
good.
ripen.
I like the taste.
Yeah.
Do you buy two this time?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't ripen like in a short time.
It's your choice. You know what's best for us.
Well, let's take one.
Okay. Berries. Is it berries or grapes?
I probably like to buy the white ones.
See how juicy that is? How big that looks? Okay, what else are we buying?
I think that's all. We could try bananas here.
Banana? Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Service Ontario was too full. We'll go back some other time. We're home now. And anyway, this is the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, drop a comment, give it a like, and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media platforms.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in our next
Video.
All right. So till we come your way again,
Keep loving.
and keep believing.
We are the
Stalwart lovers.